Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor ba menta kasngi. Ladaka National People Party ka kentat bat weng ya ka jingkeno ba ka te ka seng keterwasan klur tingka ya unong yalam ka seng People Democratic Forum uba bantai do lingdo UMLA ka mau kenro constituency ba ka klem ai ka ladai bandawa panmap na utai unong mi khmat pin sngo kinong yalam Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ha ka jingkendo ya kilat pathai kubor ha Congress Bhavan. Kinong yalam ka MPCC uba John Anthony Lingdo ba Ronnie V Lingdo kia thu kumno President rangba ka NPP u Conrad ke sangma u kentat ya ka jingkeno jong uba Bante Dor Lingdo uba uru udai Menteri Kabinet. Lada uba Bante Dor Lingdo uplah kilat pathai khubor ba ka NPP ka terwasan klur tingka banya kun election na kaseng NPP na mau kenro constituency. Habapet ya ka jingpen painya jong u Conrad ke sangma ka NPP ka kentat bat penpau ba uba Bante Dor Lingdo usyuthok ka NPP kala deban pha dawa panma na utai UMLA bat nong yalam ka PDF pensngo uba JA Lingdo bat uba RV Lingdo kumba pau layo I ka jing shisha ba ka NPP ka terwa pisabet ya baro ki MLA ya thu uba Ronnie V Lingdo shushu la benrap pet ki MLA ni ki nong yalam san perthai ki besno sya ka seng NPP ki junya da ki kali remdor kat ba ki dangdon haki wepat ki benta ki pendon kam da ki kalitan
kabawan na way na ki minister badanang po ka MD government bakta de bak bantay do ma I openly ya statement bakata ka long ba la of you when I san klur la da udek bandrong ha po ka NPP correct it came out in the press te kay kejubak jong NPP kejubak jong NPP kalong ba simple ba ya kani ngim TVA bakan dan kum kata terlada kamdai ka basisya ka statement ba ai da u when the minister but he was offered 5 crores ban contest from NPP then why don't you ask him and apologize? The chief minister himself and the NPP party should have requested him please apologize through the press because you have given the wrong statement. Had they done that? No. And then what else? You go to any constituency, like Katsafiliki constituency, pini bayaka distribution of money from the NPP candidate. My God. From where did they get this? Nangno ki collect, kumno ki sampisa, nangno ki yo. Ter lada fi ong ba, lada ka NPP ka ong ba, ka statement jong u, weni ki mista ka long kababakla. Then if you don't ask for apologize, then drop him from the ministry to prove that you are not involved. Okay? Drop him.
Step away.
Huh? That means they are guilty. Ki offer. Many sitting MLAs, sitting DC, they are joining towards this party. What for? Huh? Do you think that you can fool the people of Meghalaya in 2020 election by money power? You'll get back their power? No, I'm telling you, people are only waiting. Money power will not play, believe me. There will be a change in 2020 election. Just wait and see.
Ban pensisya bagadot ketin terwa pisa. Lane bakila yo pisa. Judan unuk tu da pile yoke mono mengatu unuk tu. Takadang idon kam yang seri ban bisa.
Ban bisa.
Atako ke poin menikong. Poin ba. Pile inem ba ki kertong na kiwi ki parti ki peladai ki sitting MLA ki ex MLA dala join NPP kinya kali ki basok ho sempula. Nang kiyo. Katakan jikuli aku. Baik mapi, baik keleng sodok. Belajar NPP him judon cubanya kali kiba lailak saulak samla. Ki kali kiba tatam aku samlai pula. Kensan teh. Gata ka pencisya ba ka don ka jing ai pisa, ka don ka jing sim pisa, na ka NPP ya kita kerta. Sampai mapi so bisyar